West right now. We also know we are in for some very cold weather later this week. That means it's a good time to turn it over to Michelle. Hi, Michelle.
Well, the good news is, Brian, it's not going to get as cold as what they're going to see in the Midwest, but we are going to see another sharply colder stretch of weather for the second half of the week. Here's the timing of it. So this is 7:30 Wednesday morning. Check out some of those temperatures in the Midwest, with Chicago running 23 below zero. That's the air temperature. Wind chills could be more than 50 below. Well, that cold front, that Arctic blast, comes our way during the end of the day Wednesday and into Wednesday evening. So by the time we wake up on Thursday morning, we've got a colder than normal day. In fact, I expect temperatures to drop to highs only in the mid-teens for Thursday, and Thursday morning temperatures will be close to zero. So that takes this afternoon and makes it feel not so bad. It is running a little bit cooler than normal. 30 degrees, feels like 20 with those north winds at 14 miles per hour. Up 30 in Boston and 28 in Smithfield. Newport's at 28 degrees. And we're in the upper 20s in Narragansett as well as Richmond. We're keeping our threat tracker in the green for today and Tuesday. On Wednesday, ahead of that cold air, we do have a chance for some light snow showers early Wednesday morning, and then the potential for an afternoon snow squall. That would be a little heavier, a little bit more intense, and follow that up by some rapidly falling temperatures. So we are concerned about some travel conditions, both the morning and potentially the evening commute on Wednesday. Our commute around this afternoon looking dry, and it'll stay that way for the rest of the afternoon, with temperatures that are running again on either side of 30 degrees. We may make it up another couple of degrees to near freezing before those temperatures drop into the upper 20s. And then overnight tonight, it'll be cold and dry. Clouds start to gather tonight ahead of our next system. So here's the setup. High pressure to the north of us. Cold front came through and brought the chillier temperatures. This system that's bringing the snow to the Midwest will lift up to the north and east, and it will gradually and eventually bring us some extra cloud cover and the chance for some light precipitation. It's not going to be a big snowmaker for us here in southern New England, but we may get a little bit of a dusting to a half an inch of snow in spots. Here's what the timing is. This is 5 o'clock in the evening, so the start of the evening commute looking okay. We may see some light snow or rain by the end of the evening hours, and then as the night goes on, that starts to mix with and change over to rain, then back over to some light snow. So a lot going on in the overnight hours Tuesday into early Wednesday. So the Wednesday morning commute, again, we'll have to watch for some slippery spots. Here comes that Arctic front. This is 8 a.m. on Wednesday, with it coming through potentially with a few snow squalls in the later afternoon. So winter storm watch ahead of that system for northern and western New England. That's where the bulk of the accumulations will be late Tuesday into early Wednesday. Locally, I'm expecting much less in the way of any snowfall. We're thinking less than an inch of snow, with most spots getting a little bit of a coating, and that's it. 7-day forecast, about 33 degrees for this afternoon, a little bit milder for tomorrow. Wednesday's highs, they'll be in the pre-dawn hours, 32 degrees most of the day. We're in the 20s with that potential afternoon snow squall towards the evening commute. And then on Thursday, look at the wind chills in the morning. This is kind of reminiscent of what we had on Martin Luther King Jr. Day, where the wind chills were well below zero. I expect them to be about 10 to 15 below in the morning and near zero in the afternoon. That cold snap is short-lived. Friday morning we start off with it, but turning a little bit more comfortable by Friday.